All right, continuing the notes, my other video kind of cut me off, but here we have the commutative property, and all we're going to be doing here is filling out the blank. So this one again is the same as saying 2 plus 1 equals 1 plus 2. So in this case, x plus y, if I want to complete the other side, well, that's the same as y plus x. And that's all. On this one, commutative property, I can switch the positions and it'll still be the same thing. So this is the same as z minus 3. Now be careful here because it's plus z and minus 3, so just make sure you keep the signs where they are because we're not changing anything, we're just changing the position. Okay. For the multiplication one, and we're still using commutative property, again, we're going to change the sign, not the signs, the positions. So 3 times 8 is the same as 8 times 3. For this one, negative 24 times y, we're going to swap places. This is the same as y times negative 24. And that's it. That is commutative property. Okay. Last one, I believe, associative property. We have using associative property to complete each one. And I'm going to kind of come up with this one in just a bit. So the associative property just moves the parentheses around. We're multiplying something, and we can move the parentheses around, and it will not affect the outcome. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and put the parentheses around the y and the x instead. And this is the same thing, because if I were to plug in numbers into y and x, it would still be multiplied all together at some point. Okay, I'm going to do one that's addition. So let's say we have 3 plus 2 plus 1, and I have something like this. Okay, so in this one, if I want to move the parentheses around, I can move it to these two. So let's do 3 plus 2 plus 1. So all the same numbers, but now we have, that right there. And I believe that's it, guys. I think, yeah, that's it. That is it for the notes. So you should be able to finish your assignment now. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. You can also put a comment in Google Classroom, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks.